Welcome to our video on Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of Jupiter, its composition, and its many unique features. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it has a thick atmosphere and no solid surface. It has a diameter of approximately 86,881 miles or 139,822 kilometers, which is more than 11 times the diameter of Earth. Jupiter's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with smaller amounts of other elements such as methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Jupiter's atmosphere is also known for its colorful bands, which are formed by different wind speeds and cloud formations. The bands are made of swirling clouds of ammonia crystals and other elements, and they create a striking visual effect. One of Jupiter's most famous features is the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm that is estimated to be 2 or 3 times the size of Earth. At its widest point, it measures about 16,000 kilometers or 10,000 miles across. This makes it one of the largest storms in the solar system. The Great Red Spot has a distinctive reddish color, which is believed to be caused by the presence of chemicals such as phosphorus and sulfur in its atmosphere. The storm also has a dark center, surrounded by bright, swirling clouds. The Great Red Spot is located in Jupiter's southern hemisphere, in a region known as the South Temperate Belt. It is visible from Earth through telescopes and has been observed since at least the 17th century. Scientists are still trying to understand what drives this massive storm and how it has persisted for so long. Jupiter's interior is divided into several layers. The outermost layer is its thick atmosphere, which is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Beneath the atmosphere is a layer of liquid metallic hydrogen, which conducts electricity and creates Jupiter's strong magnetic field. Deeper still is a layer of liquid molecular hydrogen, followed by a rocky core. Jupiter has a faint ring system that was discovered in 1979 by the Voyager 1 spacecraft. The rings are composed of small particles of rock and dust, and there are 4 main rings: the halo ring, the main ring, the Amalthea Gossamer ring, and the Thebe Gossamer ring. The rings are thought to be created by dust and debris from the moons that orbit Jupiter. Jupiter's immense size and mass give it a powerful gravitational pull. The gravity on Jupiter is more than twice as strong as the gravity on Earth, which means that objects weigh more on Jupiter than they do on Earth. Jupiter's gravity also affects the orbits of its moons, causing them to be locked into resonance, which can create interesting patterns of motion. Jupiter has a spectacular aurora, which is created by charged particles from the Sun interacting with Jupiter's magnetic field. The auroras on Jupiter are much larger and more intense than those on Earth and can be seen in ultraviolet and infrared light. The auroras are also thought to be connected to Jupiter's volcanic moon, Io, which produces sulfur and oxygen ions that contribute to the auroral emissions. Jupiter has 92 known moons, each with its unique features. The largest moon, Ganymede, is even larger than the planet Mercury. Other notable moons include Io, Europa, and Callisto, which are known for their unique geology and potential for harboring life. The Galileo spacecraft discovered that Europa has a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, which makes it a prime target for future exploration. Jupiter has 2 clusters of asteroids called Trojan asteroids, which orbit the Sun at the same distance as Jupiter but stay in the same position relative to Jupiter. The Trojan asteroids are thought to have been captured by Jupiter's gravity and have been in stable orbits for billions of years. There are more than 6,000 known Trojan asteroids, and they may provide insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. Jupiter rotates faster than any other planet in the solar system, completing one rotation in just 9 hours and 56 minutes. This rapid rotation creates strong winds and weather patterns in the planet's atmosphere, and also causes the planet to bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field that is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, which creates a magnetosphere that extends millions of miles into space. The magnetosphere can trap particles from the Sun, creating intense radiation belts. Jupiter's moons are also affected by this radiation, and they are bombarded by charged particles, which can cause interesting geologic features. Jupiter has been explored by several spacecraft, including the Pioneer and Voyager missions in the 1970s, the Galileo spacecraft in the 1990s, and most recently, the Juno spacecraft, which arrived at Jupiter in 2016 and is still sending back data. Juno's investigation of Jupiter will continue through September 2025, or until the spacecraft's end of life. These missions have provided valuable insights into Jupiter's composition, atmosphere, and magnetic field. There are several proposed missions to Jupiter, including the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icymoons Explorer or JUICE mission, which is set to launch in 2022 and will study Jupiter's moons and their potential for habitability. These missions will help us learn more about Jupiter and its moons and answer some of the questions that have intrigued scientists for years. In conclusion, Jupiter is a truly amazing planet that has captured the imagination of humans for centuries. Its size, mass, and unique features have made it a subject of fascination for astronomers, scientists, and space enthusiasts alike. Through its exploration, we have gained valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system and the processes that shape the universe around us. The mysteries of Jupiter continue to inspire and challenge us, and there is no doubt that its study will lead to many more discoveries and insights in the future. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Jupiter. We hope you enjoyed learning about the planet and discovering some interesting facts about it. There is still so much to explore and discover in our solar system, and we look forward to continuing to learn more about the mysteries and wonders of our universe. Remember to keep looking up at the sky and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.